Hello. This week we're going to be continuing our space journeys by looking at some real information. Today we're going to be thinking about astronauts. Astronauts, a life in space. Clothes. Do they need special clothes while living and working inside the space shuttle? Astronauts wear normal clothes like you and me. These astronauts are in orange flight suits, which they wear for launching and re-entering Earth's atmosphere. Astronauts pack lots of pants, socks, t-shirts and shorts because they cannot wash their clothes in space. When the astronauts leave the spacecraft while in orbit, they wear space suits. Food. What do they eat in space? Astronauts eat meals just like we do on Earth. Astronauts use utensils to eat with. They can warm their food up with a special oven. You can see in the pictures here an astronaut juggling gravity-defying fruit and chasing floating sweets. Bath. Do they take baths while living and working in a space shuttle? On the spacecraft, the astronauts have use of a shower. They can also brush their teeth and they use special shampoo to clean their hair. Toilet. How do toilets work in space? The astronauts fasten themselves to the toilet so that their body won't float away. A vacuum sucks the waste away. Sleep. How can they sleep when they are floating in space? The astronauts sleep in small sleeping compartments by using sleeping bags that are strapped in. Exercise. Do they not need to exercise in space? Astronauts need to exercise to keep their bones and muscles very strong. You can see them using equipment here. Entertainment. How do they spend their free time? The astronauts spend their leisure time reading their favourite books, listening to music, and looking at the Earth. Cleaning. Do they sweep and clean up the inside of the space shuttle? The astronauts keep clean and tidy using a special vacuum. A moon buggy. This is a moon buggy. It is also known as a lunar rover. The astronauts used it to move across the moon quickly. This is the first footprint on the moon. 12 astronauts have left their footprints on the moon's surface. There is no weather on the moon, so a footprint will remain there for millions of years. Wow, that was so much information. You can find more on the blog, and you can also find some links to some videos that the real astronauts have taken while in space.